mga kakaps ko! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nika, your 18 right here. And please mga kakaps ko, please. A lot of you actually are not subscribed to the channel, but all of you are watching my channel. So please, if this is not your first time here, consider watching, consider subscribing because wala namang bayad. Free naman po ito. At saka makikita nyo ang pagiging OA ko, 'di ba? Lahat ng mga journey ko, my journey as an OA teen, 'di ba mga kakaps ko, sa mga madaming nakarelate diyan. Hello! So, eto na nga yung chika ko sa inyo. My gosh, yung chika Lord. Chika Lord. Yung chika ko kasi sa inyo, baka strategy to ng Mahalimana, they would be able to come to China through a musical carnival event, musical festival via Honor of Kings. Through Honor of Kings. Why? Kasi yung Honor of Kings kasi, they're not just doing gaming tournaments. So, their overall entertainment kasi, maraming, sobrang daming players dito sa China. And they make it like, their events are like, concert-like events. They make it like a carnival. Their tournaments, their players, like they look like they're doing like cosplay as well. So whenever there are events like that, parang nagko-cosplay sila. Tapos yung mga artists, Honor of Kings actually, sobrang excited ko. Honor of Kings actually is collaborating artists from, because they're expanding all over the world, right? So they're collaborating with, artists talaga, real artists that would sing their theme songs or their soundtracks or their character songs. So talagang collaboration talaga with different cultures, and I'm so excited for Mahalima because this might be their stepping stone into coming into China. Kasi why? Mahirap talagang pumunta dito as a solo concert talaga. For a solo concert, there would be a lot of obstacles. Not talaga obstacles, malalampasan yung obstacles but it will take so much time and so much effort to be approved for a solo concert here in China. But if they're gonna be invited for a festival, for an event, oh my God, imagine. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures of what they did here in my city. My city often hosts events of Hope of Kings, of Honor of Kings, right? They've been in the industry, gaming industry, for 10 years na. And my city, Chengdu City, often host their gaming events or their carnivals. Actually, their 10-year anniversary, they just had a carnival celebration here in my city. Oh my gosh. If I had known, I would have gone, but it would be awkward because I'm not a gamer. But if Mahalima would be invited, in, oh my God, imagine a lot of Chinese people are actually gamers. And Gen Z na mahilig na ngayon sa internet, and Mahalima's internet presence has always been on the rise. So kung mobile games pa ito, 'di ba? Online games pa ito. So kung pupunta sila dito as an artist, imagine kung pupunta sila dito tas din sila, magko-cosplay. Diba? Magko-cosplay din sila. Oh my God, ano na lang, maglulupasay talaga ako. Sige, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung event na nangyari dito kahapon or 2 days ago sa 10-year anniversary nila.
So, ayan na nga. Look at that. Look at that event. So fancy, di ba? Imagine, nandito yung Mahalima. Nakikita nyo naman, so vibrant. So, parang happy-happy lang talaga. O, di ba? Tes, magaganyan yung Mahalima. Cosplay. Ang saya-saya lang talaga to be able to come here and experience this type of community, yung gaming community, cosplay community, mixed with Mahalima's artistry.
Kasi sobrang bongga. Imagine if Mahalima is invited to these type of events for Honor of Kings in the mainland kasi bongga talaga yung celebrations dito ng Honor of Kings kasi nga dito gawa siya sa Shenzhen. Pero kasi yung Chengdu kasi para siyang capital of esports na din. So usually dito ginaganap. Imagine if ever they might be invited sa Honor of Kings sa Shenzhen sa office. Pero baka if ever the next event na dito sa city ko, baka imagine lang kasi diba, oh my God, Mahalima is singing the official soundtrack for their event in the Philippines, like 10-year, ano nga yung sa Pilipinas, 10-year anniversary global, how do you call that, global competition, tournament, diba? Final, something like that. So, excited talaga ako kung mangyayari yan dito sa China. Imagine the reach. Because, you know, I'm not hoping that the older generation would be hooked. But, if the older generation are players of Honor of Kings, oh my God, they're in for a treat if Mahalima would come here wearing their cosplays and then singing. Oh my God, sing and dance. Imagine nyo na lang mga Caps. Imagine nyo na lang, di ba? Punta kayo dito. Ako mag-host sa inyo. Dito tayo sa bahay. Mag-party-party tayo dito. Magko-cosplay tayo dito. Oh, you're all welcome here, Mahalima, please. Kasi let's think about this logically, di ba? There is really a chance for them to be invited for a main event in the mainland. Napapag-usapan na yan ng mga co-18 nung nag-break out na hala sila talaga yung kumanta. Though sa Pilipinas siya, though international parang soundtrack na ilalabas sa Pilipinas for the Philippines event. Of course, aprobado yan dito ng Tencent. Tencent is the company behind behind Honor of Kings, 'di ba? So sobrang laki ng Tencent. So imagine nyo na lang if our Mahalima is given the chance to come here and perform the soundtrack of the song here in one of their events. Nakita nyo naman kanina, pinakita ko yung event nila dito. Parang carnival. It's a mixture of games. It's a mixture of singing, dancing, cosplaying, gaming. Lahat-lahat na. Basta masaya. Sobrang masaya. And it would be a fantastic exposure for our Mahalima dito sa mainland. Siguro, again, just like what I said, it's a strategic move. I feel like strategy to para ma-penetrate nila. Kasi na-penetrate na nila eh. Pero, iba kapag ka na-penetrate din nila yung gaming society. Imagine! Especially na sobrang nakaka-hook yung kanta ng Mahalima. I'm hoping na merong merong Chinese version niyan. Oh my God, imagine kung may Chinese version niyan. Kahit hindi na sila yung kumanta. Basta lang sila yung kumanta ng English version tapos translated into Chinese. Imagine, oh my God! Hindi ko talaga napigilan kasi I was looking for information and I was reading about Honor of Kings. And ito yung mga nakita ko, mga Caps. Ito talaga. Imagine, Mahalima, welcome to Chengdu, China soon. Or anywhere in China kung may main event dito. And so, mga Caps, welcome din kayo dito. Tara na, mag-apply kayo ng visa. Dito kayo tumira sa akin. If ever man, dito tayo. Magsiksikan tayo dito sa bahay ko. Okay lang talaga. Basta, may mga 18 na manunood na mag-cosplay yung Mahalima, tapos kumakanta sa mga damit na, oh, imagine, ang cool, di ba? So, yun na nga, yun lang yung masasabi ko. So, sobrang excited ko. Huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe, ha? Yung magsasubscribe, may libreng dito. May libreng accommodation kapag punta kayo dito sa akin. Sa akin, dito sa Chengdu. Kung andito yung Mahalima. Buyers, God bless!